until I ate snow.
You wanna try again? Unless I get ya. I caught ya. Mommy. Mama. I caught ya. Mama. All the way down. Yay! Now Daddy wants to do it.
No, Daddy's okay.
Aww.
Mama.
Send her down.
Violet, you ready to go down?
Go get Mommy.
Okay. Alright, here we go. Whoa! That was good. You did so good. You want to go for a walk now?
Stomp your boots. Stomp them. Good job.
Come, Dad.
Watch Mom.